Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Yes, Dancehall skilla here again. Manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, blessed upon a weekend like this. I hope that everyone alright, you know? Yeah, people. Certain amount of videos I want to talk to you about in this video. So let me start off like this. I want you to listen to some words that a person said in a video that I'm about to present to you pertaining to what I call traffic ticket. Observe.
This video, that's evident before I walk away, because there's a big road exercise going on here, right?
Listen.
This man right here, you run away from me when I'm trying to talk to him, James. I said, well, let me talk to you now. The man said, no, and you run and cross the road, right? Now what's going on? Fixed penalty ticket for, I don't even know which part it might be. It says for cell phone, $1,000, right? Everything correct on it. My inspection up to date. Right? All the information can come up correct. Watch. This cell phone is an iPhone 14.
Listen.
Right? The screen doesn't out. Show the duration of this video, you can see that phone will remain just so, right? Now, it have notification up to 10 minutes ago. Right? If I was on the phone, I would have never be able to get this ticket. Because where the time on this ticket is going? 10:13. This is 10:20. Right? 10 minutes ago would have been 10:10. That means I would have checked that notification if I had the phone in my hand. Right? Right. 10:10. Missed call. Impossible for me to get a ticket. Right? So how I could get a ticket at 10:10 for using my cell phone? Now what happened? I had the cell phone on my lap because I pulled off from the place I went and buy a burger. Right? Everybody talking about the burger here.
Alright. You hear what me I go say now with people. Me understand what the person is saying. If you look, you can see the 10:20, you see the time where the person point out on the piece of paper there and certain things. Alright. Me get that point there. And you see, if the person can show another notification that is before the ticket time, then if the person can show a notification before the ticket time or other notifications on the phone before the ticket time, that can say something to me as well. You understand me, people? So therefore, basically, in my point of view, what the person I point out is that based on the time where the person get the ticket, and based on the claims, and based on the time when the person record or do the video, where you can see a certain time on the phone, basically it's like the person I point out, say, oh, if so be the case, then how could that happen? That is what me I think, you know. I hope you get what I mean. Tell me what you think the person I say, because really and truly, I don't want to say certain things, but I must point out certain things. And think about it, my people, alright? Oh, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Yeah, some people, you know what really and truly interests me? I see a video that shows when a person who, in my point of view, pump gas in someone's direction. You know, based on the angle of the video, I wonder if the gas catch the person. This happens at a gas station with people. But the person basically, you know, pump the gas from out of the thing that's on the gas pump in the direction of someone. You know how dangerous that is? I mean, oh, that's something that is highly flammable. But look at the video for yourself. It's not really a long video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Right around gas station. So, I mean, if me even said this, I think some people might figure it out. There was some type of disagreement between those persons. Some type of disagreement. See? And it resulted to that. But, would I like to add or say that that is very dangerous. No one should ever do anything like that. That's a gas station. And that's a highly flammable thing. Think about it. Don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, my people. Alright? More situations to talk about in this video. See me? Alright, so my people, now take a look on this long piece of paper that person has hold on. No, look good. Look on the paper. Look on that. Eh? I don't know if the picture is of a video or what. I don't know. See me? But that picture gave me the understanding that someone might have not had a good day on that day when that image had been captured. Look at the uniform with the person that wear to my people. Eh? Look how it's sitting long. Look on the long piece of paper. May I tell you, my people? All this picture right here, so my people. See that picture here? May I tell you? Me look on that picture here, I just shake my head. See, me I wonder if somebody do this as some form of a publicity stunt or what. Because me I wonder if this even Photoshop. I mean, not even gravy. Look on the rice. But look on when they claim to say a fish. Look there, that. In my imagination, that coming like a sea of rice with one tiki. See? But then again, that might be nothing in some countries out there or a country out there. Now, sir, you look away, may I tell you the truth. Now, my people, I got information about a situation that is really and truly sad. And for something like this to happen around them type of times, it's set away. But listen to the information, and I'm going to try and explain it to you to the best of my knowledge because I got different types of information about this situation. So I got information that more than 40 persons died when a bus that they were traveling in fell from off a bridge and crashed at a location within South Africa. I got the understanding that an allegation had been made pertaining to the person who was operating the motor vehicle and how the motor vehicle went off what is said to be the bridge and crashed, claiming the lives of more than 40 passengers who was inside of that bus. One information said a bridge, one information mentioned a cliff, and one information basically said that the motor vehicle went off the road. I'm not sure which one of those information are accurate. Basically, it is said that it plunged down to a location where it crashed and caught on fire. It is said that dozens of persons died as a result of the incident. It is said that a child who survived the incident was taken to hospital to get medical attention and that the person had been seriously injured. It is said that persons who were traveling in the bus are believed to be worshippers who was headed to what is said to be an Easter conference. And it is also being said that those persons are considered as Easter worshippers. The people, that's a sad situation. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla.